Rain had stopped. I see outside the window green leaves dropping of dews and rains, and the sun is shining so beautiful. I lose my words, and that's the sense of being happy. No need to think, just feel with all of my existence, appreciating the sun reflection on the leaves and dropping of the water. It's been a long rain. I had my friend called me so I can use his kayak. Maybe that's another sign of hope. I wanted to talk about ignorance, and then I got sucked up with this view, as if I'm ignorant but appreciate. I think the ignorance is following the nature's way without the mind. In Zen, people say you don't need to be intelligent to be awakened. It's kind of like a sense perception of what's going on directly without interfering with the mind. My awakening experience is like that. And as I have mentioned, you feel it inside the body. The cells are lively, jumping around, probably like those trees after the rain and wind. So that the full utilization of potential Zen Kigen, that's it. And there's a sense of what we call waku waku in Japanese, boiling of the water, like in the fountains from the ground, continuous flow. The energy is coming out and you feel inside. No need for interpretation. Interpretation is what's in the mind, and then you want to stuck into some memory or knowledge. But existence is to be felt in the now, the state of being. The silence is most appropriate. Just breathe in and breathe out. See the reflection of the light on the water puddle, and the bird just flew in. So it's not necessary for anything if we are in this state. When I talk, I may lose that. Unless the talk is connected to the root of who I am, the nature's way. So I want to apply the idea that heaven helps those who help themselves. I think sincerity and truthfulness, that attitude, is utmost important to appreciate this miracle of existence. What more do we need? Well, my mind says, well, maybe I live another few years. Do something. Do something. On one hand, I said, everything is concrete as it is. Nothing to add, nothing to take away. So let me just breathe in and out and appreciate this. I'll take a photo of this so that you can see it. You may have a different opinion. It doesn't matter. Opinion. But if I talk like this and keep sitting, this won't be a video. So let me touch on a few things. I don't know if I should actually. The topic, if I were to talk, is how we can use our brain connected to the heart. For that to happen, the thought has to be rooted to our core being, meaning it's the way of nature, what comes out naturally. So there's no blockage and it flows. Sometimes I feel like I can do that. And if I have doubt, of course, I won't be able to. Because doubt is already in the mind. So there's an element of faith. Let me try this. Say Nam Amida. I let go of myself for the Amida Buddha to take over with his or her compassion, so that the nature's way will throw away the mind, confusion, and the clarity, like those trees shining in the lights, making the best. No complaint. Oops. I see the dropping of water droplet from the branches. I can hear the crow. Nothing is missing, so why would I say anything? One thing I thought of saying is Joshu, the Zen monk, famous one, who said, we are used by the time, he would use the time. It's the same as we are used by the brain and the knowledge, and we don't use our brain connected to the heart. To me, that's still difficult. If I think it's difficult, it becomes difficult. So when I post videos, most of the time it just flows without me thinking. So when it's done, I may not remember what I said. It's free. The mind is free. Yet it has to make sense. So there's a balance as human. But I'd still say, at the occasion, just be. Just be as it is. Everything as it is. We start to play with everything as it is. We may get ourselves confused. Lots of noise. That's today's technology. Dangerous. We need to have a discipline to separate, contain, and process, to use our brain, use our mind. We, at the core, is the main character. We, in our mind, is just that. For the occasion, the mind grab this, grab this, grab this, grab this, and do this, do that. And so what? It's important, yes. It may not be as important as this or that, or really to connect to our heart. So I breathe in and out. Because I cannot do it. But this I from heart is doing it, should do it. That's the master to take over, like Amida Buddha. For my ego to be thrown away. All the confusion, don't even play with it. Just leave as it is, and it will settle on its own. It's like this idea of 90 seconds rule to get rid of some emotional upset. If you don't play with it, it will go down. If you play with the thought, then you keep it grabbing you, and it's like a bottle, and your hand inside the bottle to pick up the some kind of a toy or something sweet to eat, but you cannot get the hand out. Cookies, whatever. You want it, you want it. When you open your hand, you can get your hand out. Maybe you can put the bottle upside down and get cookie to eat. Ego grabs you. As much as the emotion may settle, the feeling, anger may settle, rushed feeling may settle, think that's all I can say. So let me take a picture of this, maybe a video, and attach to this video. Let the nature speak, and let us be quiet to listen and observe, inhale, and be. No need to be fancy, nice, great, smart, and just be, especially in today's world. Let's be awakened to that. Thank you. Thank you for this.